Hi, welcome to Hardy Classics. Today we've got another, surprise, surprise, classic. Not quite a veteran, but look at it. It's absolutely fantastic. It's a 1909 Lion Peugeot. And look at it. Look at that little car. Four-seater, single cylinder, 7.5 horsepower engine. It's absolutely beautiful, beautiful. Four-seater, double phaeton body. You're seeing there, plenty of room in the back. The upholstery's gorgeous. The brass is gorgeous. I love this car. This is a really, really lovely car. We'll start at the front. Obviously, you've got the acetylene headlights. So these headlights were powered by calcium carbide in a cylinder. Water drips on it, causes acetylene gas. You light those little burners in the front, and that gives off a really white light. Pretty explosive, like you say, but and dangerous, but that's the way it was. Moving around the car, we've got these lovely, lovely varnished wheels, which have been rebuilt at some stage and they're in fantastic condition. Tyres, really good condition. Little oil lamps for the side lamps. We've got these running boards with the cocoa mat stuck on there to clean your feet before you get in. The hood's in really good condition. Absolutely lovely, great stitching on it. There's no rips or tears. It's fantastic. I love this car, and I really think this car is super value for money. Again, move around the back. These little videos are just a quick snapshot to show you of the car. You really need to come and see it, but it's just whether you want to bother to come and see it, and I think you should bother, and I think this is a car you shouldn't miss. Moving around the back again, little oil lamp on the back. The car was restored a few years ago, and there's a massive photographic history of the car. I think originally it was red, and they've turned it into the green. It's double chain drive, so it's got two chains on each side. It's a 3-speed gearbox, and the gearbox on this has been rebuilt at some stage, and I think there's bills there for about £10,000. It's also been fitted with a electric dyno starter, which, although this engine starts easy off the handle, it's if you conk down in traffic, you don't really want to be going to the front and cranking it over, so it's a massive bonus. Looking in here at the dashboard, you've got a period clock there, an oiler. That's your oil dripper. So that's basically what you look at when you're driving the car to make sure it's dripping oil in there. Period horn over there. When the hood's down, these leather straps come off. It goes back, and you can actually adjust the height of the windscreen. So the windscreen comes up and down. I'll show you in the engine. There's the little engine in there, little single cylinder, water cooled. It's actually got waterless coolant in it, so it doesn't tend to get very warm, but it's just a lovely thing. We've got it up here for sale. It's actually going in a film Monday and Tuesday. It's doing a couple of days filming, so you could see it on the telly. It could be a film star, but what value for money? I think we're going to put it up for round about the £25,000 mark, and there'll be a lot of people out there saying, yeah, but you can't do the London to Brighton in it. It's not a 1904 car. Yes, it's not a 1904 car. If it was, it would be £125,000. So if you want to do Brighton, buy this. You can do all your veteran car club events, and then go and buy a £40,000 Oldsmobile. Do Brighton in the Oldsmobile and keep that for the rest of the events. £65,000. Because for £65,000, you will not find a Brighton car that looks like that. You'll find a single seater, and it will not be in the condition that is. So there you have it. The 1909 Lion Peugeot, up for sale at Hardy Classics. And I don't think there's a little car out there of the similar ilk in England or anywhere as nice as this. So if you like this video or any of the videos we do, please like and subscribe. It makes our channel grow. It makes me want to go out there and buy more interesting cars like this and like the other stuff we have. Bye bye now.